kitchen making sourdough. I haven't made sourdough since lockdown. I made a lot of sourdough in lockdown, and then, I don't know, I kind of stopped, or I killed my starter, or I did something. And I'm going to start making it again. So I find some of the recipes so complicated. Some people have so many stages, and then other people say you don't need those stages. So I'm pretty sure I had it down to quite an easy routine last time. What I do is I buy the starter in. So this one's called Elvis. I just name them every time. I normally end up killing them. I'm not going to kill Elvis. Elvis is going to not die. He's going to live forever. So Elvis is a really nice 100-year-old starter that I get from a place in Petersfield called Juniper. I've added 1 kilo of flour. I've used this time white flour and wholemeal flour. When I've been making it before, I've actually done it using spelt flour, white and wholemeal, Emma, Karmut, rye. So I sometimes make these sort of ancient grain breads, which actually do work. So at the minute, I've got my first shaggy dough, which I'm doing with my special dough spoon. I don't really know what I'm doing, so let's see how it goes. Wet cloth, warm place.